The two-day budget session 2020-21 of Sikkim Legislative Assembly commenced on Monday, 23rd March, with the address of the Governor Ganga Prasad. Chief Minister of Sikkim Prem Singh Tamang moved the motion of thanks for the Governor's address. This year's budget focuses on the welfare and social-economic development of the vulnerable and marginalized sections of society and therefore aims at uplifting and raising the standard of living by formulating and implementing various citizen-centric programs and schemes. The total estimates of budget for the current fiscal year is Rs 9,100 crores, explaining the budgetary profile for the financial year 2020-21. Chief Minister informed that the proposed annual general budget for the state of Sikkim will amount to Rs 9,100 crores, comprising of Rs 7,343.60 as revenue expenditure and Rs 1,756.40 as capital expenditure. Along with the state budget as the Minister in charge of the Finance Department, the CM also presented the second supplementary demands for granting relating to the financial year 2019-20, which includes 9 grants with gross additional expenditure of Rs 21,600 lakh, comprising of Rs 700 lakh on revenue account and Rs 20,900 lakh on capital account. Of this, the proposals involving net cash outgo aggregates to Rs 21,600 lakh, funded from the one-time additional dispensation to the state by Government of India. It also presented the Sikkim Protection Interests of Depositors in Financial Establishments Amendment Bill Number 2 of the 2020. The Sikkim Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Amendment Bill Number 5 of the 2020. The Sikkim Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill Number 6 of 2020. The Chief Minister termed the budget as a full-fledged budget as the last budget presented was midway the financial year 2019-20 because of the due completion of the electoral process and formation of a new government led by Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Party in May 2019. The discussion and voting on general budget was taken up yesterday on March 24th, 2020. Amid the coronavirus scare, the State Assembly session was curtailed to 2 days. Earlier, Sikkim Legislative Assembly has decided not to allow private media to cover the budget session in the wake of rapid spread of novel coronavirus. Reacting to the decision, opposition parties along with other political leaders condemned the move, alleging if the ruling governments want to hide anything from the public. While Sikkim Democratic Front Party said that media is the fourth pillar of democracy and not allowing media is undemocratic move. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.